Good morning, guys. I pulled over on the side of the highway. We're out in the middle of nowhere, literally. It's called the Hay Plains. But I figured while the sun's coming up, it's probably the ideal time to show you what's on the back. Well, sorry, I should say what's behind the van and on the trailer today. May as well cut straight to it, eh? Look at that sun though. Holy heck. Here it is. The RBM3. I am heading to Powdertoon in Sydney, so I gotta keep going because otherwise I ain't gonna get there in time. Alright guys, we made it here to Powdertoon. Technically I did make it here yesterday, but it was a little bit late in the arvo, so I ended up just crashing. I was that wrecked. So we're here on a Sunday. Cheers, just helping me get all the cars out, and I'm gonna get stuck into the Beamer and get a few things sorted on it before everything happens on Monday, which will obviously be tomorrow. But yeah, check out some of the cars I got in the shop. So you've heard it here first. This is my absolute dream street car. I will own one day. I can promise you that. Oh man, this thing is amazing.
That's the most extreme.
Here's Cheer, guys, by the way. God. There's probably two RBM3s just sitting there. Check out this thing. God. Anyway, we'll do a full review on everything that's here during the week, I think. For now, we're just going to get these cars out. Alright. Sorry, we just had to move some cars. God damn, this thing is amazing. I freaking love it. Okay, so Cheer's been nice enough to let me sort of do my own thing here on a Sunday. So it's his only day off every week, so he's going to go have some family time. I'll literally just get stuck in the RBM3 cleaning it, because a heap of, oh man, I really need that enclosed trailer. Alright, let's clean it, I'll get it on the hoist and set myself up. Alright guys, got the Beamer in. Gave it a bit of a quick clean, I suppose you could call it. Okay, so I got most of the parts in from the van. Got the RBM3 on the hoist. So just so you guys know what I'm doing now, is I literally got to get every single line out the car and I got to clean them thoroughly. So there's absolutely no debris or any sort of foreign material in the lines, because obviously it's a dry sump system. So the oil lines that run from all the way to the front to the back, all got to be clean. The tank's got to come out. Also the radiator, I'll just clean absolutely everything. So everything you're seeing here is going to come out pretty much. Fun times. Oh yeah. I also brought my own trusty little blue box, because yeah, every time I seem to come here I have to borrow all the other guys' tools and I feel bad every time I do it. So I figured this time I'm just going to bring my own, and I don't have to hassle them unless it's like a real, you know, necessary tool. So you guys are going to have to enjoy me doing things slowly. Alright, I gotta get busy because this thing ain't going to do itself. So I'm slowly getting all the lines off. I'm not filming it and doing a time lapse or anything, so hope you guys don't mind that, but I'm just trying to get as much as I can done today on my own. But how cool is this? The Sydney Motorsport Park's right out the back of the workshop. Even though there's V8s going around, it's still pretty cool. I don't know if we'll be able to see any. But yeah, slowly getting there. I got a lot of work to do, that's for sure. There's so many lines in this damn thing. But we're getting there. Alright, we've got every line out of the car to do with the oil and cooling on it. There's still some fuel lines and obviously the radiator in there. But we just got to go pick someone's car up and use my trailer. So what we'll do is we'll take all these lines to a place that's got like a high pressure washer, and yeah, just try and blow them out as best we can. So, damn, that was actually a lot of time to get all that bloody crap out. There's a lot of money's worth of fittings and hose in here. It's insane. So you know how I said we need to go to a high pressure washer? Oh. Yep, even got the perfect racks for them. So yeah, we'll get these lines done and then back to the shop to, I guess, put them all back in. But yeah, we'll blow air through them for ages to make sure there's no water left in them or whatever. But yeah, and we picked up Stewie's GDIR. Had to go pick that up for him. That's that crazy one that was on the dyno on the Powertune vid a while ago now. It's got the VESR in it. It's freaking nuts. Alright guys, I've skipped the entire day pretty much. Literally just been focusing on getting the RBM3 to a point where I can start sort of filming and documenting everything. All the cleaning's done, all the lines are done. I think it's like 10 PM now. I've started putting the engine all back together, like the outside of it. And it's now over here next to that ridiculously good looking 34 GDR. Oh, what a picture that is. Hey, just, God, I love that thing. Anyway. So yeah, radiator's back in. Catch cans back in, dry sump tanks back in, all the lines are run. I think, oh, as you can see, there's still a heap more oil lines for the front, but they're all clean, ready to go. We got some really good goodies to unpack. There's one there from my buddies at Direct Clutch. I actually got my clutch rebuilt, which is freaking awesome because we know that one works, and I'm going to explain why I'm going back to that one tomorrow. I've got a bell housing to cut up, get that sorted. Got to get the slave sorted. I got this from Direct Clutch also. They actually made this for me. Thank you guys. And yeah, that's for the hydraulic slave that I'm going to be running with the G-Force. Oh, and I also have a G-Force for the RBM3. That's still in the van, I hope. Oh, I'm also going to strip the turbo down tomorrow, make sure the fins and everything's alright, nothing went through it. What else is there? Wow, what a day. I think that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, I think that's about it for today, but massive thanks to Pete. Thanks, Pete. He hung back. He's a good egg. But yeah, massive thanks to Powertune Australia and PPM Racing Australia for the new stroker kit. Pretty excited about the next sort of week that I'm going to be here. Obviously get the Beamer running as soon as I can, and then we'll make sure everything's sweet, go to the dyno, get it tuned, show you guys the new power, and then we're going to go testing because we have to, and that's the best, most exciting, nervous, sorry, I should say nerve-wracking, and just overall crazy moment when you're testing all new stuff. So that's going to be cool. Alright guys, let's wrap up today. Probably should have turned that fan off before I did this, so sorry about the background noise, but yeah, it's been a big one and I'm pretty knackered. So we'll be back here at 6 AM tomorrow, or 7 AM I should say. See you guys. Just kidding. I want to take one more video of this thing. Look at it. So apparently this thing's back for a bit of a brake upgrade. R35 GDR brakes and some new wheels because they don't clear it. And there's my engine. Alright guys, I should really go now. I'm gonna go now. Alright, see you guys.